Roger that. Maintaining runway heading.
This panel here controls the navigation systems. Ensure these indicators are aligned before takeoff. As you can see here, the synthetic vision gives us the terrain ahead. Now adjust your heading bug slightly left.
Adjusting heading bug left.
All right, slowly lower it down now. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Copy that. Coming down steady.
Running the hydraulic stress test now. Data looks nominal at 80 kilonewtons. Check the thermal readings on Sector 4.
Check the torque settings on the starboard side.
Already done. Moving to the next panel.
Make sure the wiring harness is clear of this support strut right there.
Roger that. Adjusting now.
Check the schematic for Zone 4.
Torque is good here. We need another harness bundle by 1400 hours.
Check the torque settings on panel 7.
Already done. Moving to panel 8 now.
Bring it back another 10 feet. Okay, this section is prepped for the base coat.
The finish on this blue stripe is flawless.
Yeah, the robot did a perfect job. We just need to verify the tail number.
Make sure the alignment is perfect on that panel.
Roger that. Check the wiring harness. Everything looks secure.
Make sure the insulation is secure around the blue line.
Roger that. Looks good from here.
Initiating sequence 34 alpha.
All right, team, watch the crane coming through.
From the assembly line to final systems checks, our process ensures precision at every stage. We are ready for takeoff. Watch the wingtip clearance on the right. Easy now, slow it down approaching the line. Blinked. From the structural integrity of the wing to the digital precision of the flight simulator, every aircraft undergoes rigorous.
The stress test results on sector gamma look stable now.
Agreed, the adjustments seem correct.
Yes, the telemetry confirms the pressure readings are nominal. We are proceeding.
All right, trajectory looks stable at current airspeed. Monitor hydraulics on N420HJ.
The thermal analysis on the wing stress looks good.
Okay, let's cross-reference that with the iSpace data.
System check complete. All parameters within tolerance. Ready for sign-off.
dampers. In this state-of-the-art facility, precision is paramount. Here we see the automated process for the laying.
We are clear to proceed with the wing attachment sequence.
Roger that. Double check the hydraulics on 205.
Okay, tighten that connection right there. Got it. Secure in 3, 2, 1.
Aircraft like the Falcon 8X have a tri-jet layout of TH3P and WCPW307D turbofans produced by Pratt & Whitney.
Clear on the left side. Keep it slow. Watch the tail clearance.
Copy that. Moving slowly.
Jets like the Falcon 8X have a range of 7,423 miles and can carry 12 to 16 passengers.
We ensure exact specifications. The Zeiss coordinate measuring machine meticulously inspects these critical components before they move to final assembly.
We need the next panel ready by the time the crane clears.
Copy that, moving it now.
Precision is paramount in everything we do, from the first coat of paint to the final rotor assembly.
Okay, lift on your side.
Got it. Watch the clearance on the coupling.
Clear. Bring it forward slowly.
In the U.S. Air Force, the MQ-9 Predator is transported in separate modules to its global deployment areas.
We need to verify the stress points here on the main strut.
The simulation showed it holding up, but let's double check the material specs.
All right, easy now, a little to the left.
Copy that, moving left.
And set it down gently.
The simplex hydraulic system allows our technicians to precisely align the fuselage sections, ensuring every component meets our rigorous standards.
Just another few inches to the right, slow and steady. Holding steady. Perfect, engage the locks. We need support on the starboard wing, elevation 2.
Bringing the lift around now.
All right, easy now, bring it down slowly. Steady, steady, that's good. Lock it in. That should align the trailing edge. How's the fit?
Solid. Go for final torque specs.
Here in the hangar, the assembly of the MQ-9 requires the precise coordination of dozens of skilled technicians.
On accidents. Landing gear is one of the most critical parts on any aircraft, and landing gear failure leads to many accidents.
This is the result of precise engineering and the rigorous testing required for these complex systems.
All right, steady now. Watch your wingtip clearance.
Clear right. Keep coming straight. UAV is airborne, passing Angels 5.
Confirming link 12, passing control to sector 7.